Morning team, hope we're all good. Saturday morning. Saturdays are usually just a general clean up day. We are waiting for customers to collect the Range Rover there that we had in for shuts and returns. That's now complete. Mercedes, waiting for the customer, that's now complete. So just a general day cleaning up, tidying round, making sure we're good for the week commencing. Prep day, so you're going to see me prep the 208 ready for next week. So I'll set a time lapse up and see you shortly. So, got the Peugeot in for wash, got some exciting new products to try. We've bought them from Hydro, so we've got their Hydro pressure bottle to try, and also we've got their snow foam and pre-wash. Let's get it well, see what crack is. Hydro pre-wash, got to dilute it 4:1 for exterior use. So I'm going to go fill this up with water and I'll be back in a minute. 4:1, I've got a litre in there. I'm going to put 250 millilitres of the pre-wash in. First time using this, so be fairly accurate. You have got a measuring jug outside here, but I didn't fancy filling that up 25 times. Beauty about these jugs is, once you've pressurised them up, unpressurise them and they'll sit there all day long. Quite happy as Larry. Right, so that's the pre-wash mixed, and now I'll do snow foam whilst I'm here. So again, just because it's first time using, see how it's reacting, go by guidelines on the bottle. Another beauty about these bottles, once you've got your water in, you can just go in through the filling tube aside. So that's the snow foam mixed. One thing I have done though, I've got the nozzles on. This nozzle's for the pre-wash, this nozzle's for the snow foam. Right, there we go. Come with me, let's see how we do that car. Let's have a crack. Oh my god. Just coat generously. Give it some more pressure. Another good thing about bottle is that it's got a cap on, so I don't have to keep your finger on the trigger. That's the pre-wash stage done. Now for snow foam. So, snow foam's been on, weld, done, time to get it off. So now I'm going to start with the wash sequence for this wrap. So I'm going to let that dwell, I'm going to swap it to time lapse and let's go from there. So it's now cleaned. We're going to start stripping it, then we are going to clay bar it to get rid of all the contaminants, and then we are going to get a final clean, and then we'll start wrapping it. Let's go from there. So 208's now prepped, ready to get wrapped, all taped up, all knifeless taped as well. This isn't just a normal colour change, this is a bespoke, one of the kind, digital printed wrap. We've designed it all in-house. Yeah, stay tuned, watch me wrap this side. I stink, me. Oh. Should I stink? Yeah, right last night. Come on, if I knew that, I wouldn't be stinky, would I? I've got a crease there, I can't get it in. I need a more flexible squeegee. This one is rock hard and I keep creasing it. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Yes, please. Without spit, please.
Nice. Let's do this. It's like tough, isn't it? That back into it. Proper strong. Look at this out there. Customer's got it.
What?
Gosh, that's insignia before the working.
What?
Insignia stopped working. And then Saturday morning he rings me up saying that it was stuck in as the car park at Normanton. It won't start. So I went over, started it up and it just took that. Looks like a solar panel.
It's a solar panel. Good if it charged it at the same time. What? Outside, are you?
Shit, she's
Busted. Busted.
alright. Saturday going,
I like it. It looks really nice.
Don't touch it.
I'm not touching it. Why can't I touch it?
Stamp code.
Ah.
So as you can see now, the car is complete, ready for the customer to collect. It's not just a normal colour change, it is a digital printed wrap that we've done. I'll take you for a look round. So we've got a matte over laminate on the body, and then on the roof we've done it looks like a solar panel with a gloss laminate, which contrasts rather well with all the gloss text on it. Let us know your thoughts on the contrast between the gloss and the matte in the comments below.